What's going on, fam? It's DC with another video. And on this video, I will be taking a live trade either on the S&P 500 or crude oil. Crude oil is the one to the right side. The S&P 500 is the one to the left side. Right now, I am just waiting for price to give me a clear indication of where it wants to go, and just to present me with my strategy, which is supply and demand. I'm waiting for this supply to be formed as this candle already closed. So now I am going to be waiting for price to pull back into the supply zone to go on ahead and take it back to the downside. This is a risky setup, but it's a great setup. Okay. This one is more safer because I am following the overall trend, and I just have to wait for the pullback. And this is more riskier because it's against the overall trend of the S&P 500. As you guys already know, the market is very bullish. So this is a riskier setup, but it's a high reward setup. It's a good setup. Right in front of me, I have gold. Gold is on nothing, so that's why I didn't mention it. Right now, we are just focused on these two, since this is where my strategy is being shown and is being presented. According to my strategy, this setup is no longer valid. One, it broke the supply zone. Two, it's 10 minutes before news report. So this setup is no longer valid. We're gonna have to wait for price, for the market to give us something else for us to take advantage of. But if not, we're just gonna be sitting on our hands for right now, and that's completely fine, because trading is mostly about patience. It's mostly about sticking to your strategy and sticking to your rules to make sure that you stay in this game for the long term and not just solely focus on the money, because you don't want to be forcing trades that aren't there just because you want to make money. When you're thinking about making money, that's what happens. You should start seeing the chart in ways that you could make so much money from. You could take advantage of every single move, and that's not the case. So we are going to just be waiting. I'll let you guys know if I find anything. If not, it is what it is. Right now, price just tapped into this demand zone right here. Clearly having strong buying from the demand zone, pushing with the overall trend. Hey, we're gonna see what price does right here. I am liking this candle. If we get a clean break above this candle, we are going to be entering this trade. Light size, since it's late in the day already, and depending how it starts playing out, I'll probably add more.
Order rejected.
Alright, so price broke that candle. We're about to place our entry right about there.
Order filled.
Alright, so now we're in this trade. We have our stop loss set. We have our TP set. For this one, I am only going for a 101. Depending how the market starts playing out, and it comes near the 101, comes back to break even, I will be adding more, since this is the strategy that I use for this specific setup. I don't always use this specific strategy for every setup, but mainly this one, it plays out like that. It comes near 101, comes back, break even, get me another entry, go back to the upside for a 101, and then we're out of the market. At times it keeps pushing to the upside, and at times it just comes back down. Once price gets back to our break even, we are going to be adding more to this position, because this is the type of setup that I've been waiting on. And the outcome of this trade, of this setup, it always does the same thing every single time. Comes near our 101, reverses to break even, a little bit more, even then add, and then goes back to the 101. Sometimes it keeps going, sometimes it doesn't, but I'll be completely out of this trade by the 101, and I'm completely fine with that.
Order filled.
I will be taking everything off at right here, right around this level right here. I'll be fully out the position right there. But this is where you get tested. Are you going to wait for your TP to get hit, or you're gonna close before your TP gets hit? What are you gonna do in this situation? Are you gonna wait till your TP gets hit, or you're going just to close near your TP? Let me know down below in the comments, what will you do in this situation? Oh, yeah, let me know down below in the comments, what will you do in this situation? It came 1 point away from my TP, and then now it's 9 points away. Wow, price about to do me dirty like that is crazy. This candle close look ugly. Oh man, if this candle closes like this, it's going to be ugly, bro. Closing that break even, it is. Closing that break even, it is. Man, Warriors just play too much, bruh. Now we about to just get stopped out at break even and move on with our day, when we could have just made our profit. By 1 point is insane, fam. By 1 point is crazy, son. A lot of you might be questioning, like, oh, why don't you just close with $29 in profit? Bro, it's not part of my strategy, bro. It's either I'm gonna get stopped at a break even or take profit. I'm not going away from my trading plan, bro. A lot of times I would just close. Oh, it's coming near my my stop loss, and I'll close, and then boom, it's just reversed from right there, right when I close. It was just reversed and hit all my take profits. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. You feel me? But ever since then, I just learned from my mistakes, and I do not close when it's coming to break even. I should just let it hit. I should just let things hit. I just let price do what it needs to do. I just let the market do what it needs to do. And that's that. I don't get in the way. Once I execute, I don't get in the way. I just let it do what it needs to do. And my strategy is going to do what it needs to do. As if I need to close that break even, let it hit TP, whatever it needs to do, is going to handle itself.
Stop filled.
All right, guys, that was the trade. Like I said, it was a great trade. I already planned for this to happen. All I had to do was just manage the trade from there, and it was a great trade. Like I said, this demand zone came from a break of resistance on the 15-minute. It was moving with the overall trend, and yeah, that was just the outcome of the trade, man. I can't really be tight because it came 1 point away from my take profit. I was in this trade for mad long, but it's all good. We just got to keep moving forward, you feel me? Like, there's no hard feeling towards it. You have to take it day by day and then see the outcome of the month, see the outcome of the year, and then you just move forward from there, bro. Like, there's no hard feelings. Keep trading. Don't stop trading even when it gets hard. I love you guys for watching this far into this video, and if you like this video, let me know down below in the comments. It's DC. Peace and love. God bless y'all, man. I'm out. I'll catch y'all on the next video.